Let's read the storybook together.
It's so much fun! We can click here and there.
I love to play fun games and watch new videos.
Don't forget to learn your du'as.
Assalamualaikum. We love mommy and daddy too.
Wow!
We love our friends and we love you. Yay! We've got love for everyone. Oh, oh, Omar and Hana. Come on and play with us. Dream with us. Wow, that's amazing. Alhamdulillah. Together we will have fun. Oh, oh, Omar and Hana.
Huh? What is that sound? Mommy, Daddy, what are you doing?
Listen, Omar and Hana.
Nature sounds come from Allah.
Wonderful Subhanallah. In the whole universe, Allah's creatures sing praise to show their Creator they're thankful for the day. Our God is Allah,
And He's great beyond compare.
let us be grateful, sing praises to Allah.
Ugh, it's too salty.
Yum, 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 yum.
Huh? What is that sound? Mommy, Daddy!
Huh? What's going on?
There's something in the bushes!
There's nothing here.
Nothing?
Huh?
Let's get ready. It's almost time for Margaret prayer.
Okay. Huh?
What is that sound?
Omar, Hana, why don't we go check it out?
Huh?
You must be joking!
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Mommy and Daddy are here.
Look here, Omar and Hana.
Even frogs come from Allah.
Oh, a frog! It's so cute! Wonderful Subhanallah.
Wow! Ah!
Huh? What is that sound?
Let's go find out.
Huh?
Look here, Omar and Hana.
Even owls come from Allah.
Wow! It's an owl!
Wonderful Subhanallah.
It doesn't sound scary now.
Uh-huh. It even sounds cute.
Alhamdulillah.
Huh? What is that sound?
Huh?
Mommy, really scared.
It's okay. Mommy and Daddy are.
Omar! Oh!
Huh?
Wow!
So cute!
Hey!
Wow!
Whoa!
Those are flying squirrels.
Oh! Omar, Hana, wanna see something else?
Huh?
Come with me.
Wow!
Our God is Allah, and He's great beyond compare. Let us be grateful, sing praises to Allah. Let us be grateful, sing praises to Allah.
Assalamualaikum!
Hey, did you all know?
When animals make sounds, they're really praising Allah.
And saying they're grateful. So,
Don't be scared of animal sounds.
Alhamdulillah!
Hey friends, the Omar and Hana app is available now on Google Play and the App Store.
Let's download now so we can sing and learn Islamic values together. Alhamdulillah!